What's going on YouTube? Tony here, back again with another video for you guys, and we are checking out a TONOR microphone boom. So this is going to be the TONOR RGB boom arm adjustable mic stand with RGB lights and HyperX QuadCast. Blue Yeti, it fits on several microphones. You could use the QuadCast, Blue Yeti, Rode NT90, NT1, and others. Anyways, this is good for, if you want to do podcasts and whatnot. I'm also using the TONOR microphone, which I got a while back, and I've been using that ever since. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys real quick the package that the TONOR microphone boom came in. This is pretty cool. This sets a nice mood when you want to record some video or whatnot. So this is the T90. In the package, you do get, let me open this real quick. I'll kind of show you. You get a simple packaging. It's basically wrapped in foam. And then you got your boom. And then you got your boom stand. And it's like a little clamp that comes with it. And my microphone fit right on there. So it was easy installation. It does come with a provided USB Type C to USB Type A cable, which you plug in to get the RGB lights obviously working. And I've had it plugged in for a little bit. You can see it here on the video. I'll kind of move it in a little bit so you guys can check out the lighting. But this is it right here. Let me know how the audio sounds. By the way, I'm using the TONOR microphone. And so this is touch sensitive, which is the cool part about it. To mount it, you can mount it on a table. It comes with a table clamp. Also on the edge of a desk. Right now, I'm currently set up in my living room, in between my living room and kitchen. I'm on a counter. I got it attached to my counter here, and it does come with, like I said, the cable, and you just pretty much tap on the TONOR logo to get it started. I got it working, and then I didn't realize how to get the lights on, but it does come with a 5/8 screw for the microphone, which mine's, as you can see here, actually went right in perfectly. Plastic covers so you can run your cables, and you can cable management, which is pretty cool also. And like I said, touch controls on board. So check this out. To turn this on or off or switch through the RGB lights, you basically tap on the TONOR, and you can get it to change colors. Here's blue. I don't know. Yeah, you can see it on camera. Blue, like a darker blue, purple, red. I believe this is like an orange color, yellowish green, and then a dark green. And then we got these rainbow effect, which is pretty nice. But there is one that goes through all the colors. I think this is it right here. I think it's going to switch between the color. Yeah, there you go. So this one's pretty cool. Switches to orange, yellow, green right now, and it's just going through the cycle, which sets like a pretty good mode when you're recording video. So yeah, links will be down in the description. What else? I do have the Amazon link down there, which helps the channel out. And let me switch back to my favorite one right there. That one seems hyperactive right there, so I like that one. So yeah, once again, the TONOR RGB boom arm, the T90. So I will have that down in the description below. Like I said, it works with a bunch of microphones and whatnot. You can do 360 rotation with this boom. And let me see, user friendly. Let me see if I'm missing anything here. It's metal, obviously. It's pretty well constructed. It's like a metal. And it's touch sensitive, so if you touch on the TONOR, once again, it changes through the colors. And if you want to power it off, you just long press, and there it is, powered right off. So it powered off, and then to get it started, here's where I was a little confused. That's why it's always good to read the manual. So it does come with the manual, and I left it in the box because us men, we don't like reading. And long press, it should power it back on. Come on, buddy. Come back on. There it goes. Now you long press it to power it back on. And you can switch through the colors once again by tapping on the toner. And I really like this, man. I think this is pretty cool. I like the effects. I'm pretty sure there's like a noise effect or volume effect down here. I just haven't really messed through the manual yet to check it out. But yeah, ABS construction, ABS in metal, and it does have a very nice clamp on the bottom, very adjustable. Links will be down in the description. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on another one. We out. Deuces.